Hello everyone. Thanks for joining my channel again. And so we have a new session for Terraform. There is I want a little favor from you guys. If you like my video so far, I wanted um, there's no you're not going to do any payment. Just like if you subscribe my channel, it will just give me motivation that like what I'm doing that is I'm on like everyone is liking and giving me just boost up, right? So just as basically well wishers, if you like my videos, just subscribe on my channel and then also you if whatever videos I will make it in future as well for other terms, so you will get notification. So okay, let's back to topic. Today I have another topic that's very much important, I would say, when you are doing the making the Terraform configuration file. So on that time you use so much the provisioner. So what it does basically, so provisioner used to execute scripts or commands on a resource once it's created or destroyed. So what exactly it means, so let's say you have any file and you just want that file to be used to embed inside your EC2 server, and rather than like before that as we you do use the user data and we're putting there all the things. No, that is the old school. Here we just getting the provisioner for us. So there's different type of provisions are there because they are sometimes are necessary. Their use is generally discouraged unless absolutely required, as they break the relative model of Terraform. Instead, you should aim to achieve the same result using proper configuration management tools or native Terraform configuration. So we have the types here. I have the file provisioner, where I'm using the local script, which I have it that I will put in the provision, and this going to store inside our EC2 server directly. So source destination, and if we go further, local execution, if I'm execution over my local operating system, on that time I use the local execution. If I'm doing it remotely for remote execution provision, so on that time I will just I use remote execution line whatever, like I'm the libraries or binaries I want to write it, I will put it there. And I need a connection to basically what it does. It will basically pull in commands inside our EC2 and execute inside that. And for that, obviously, we need always SSH, and we can either use the our own private key or the PEM file. So that's like up to you. And for destroy, if you want to we destroy your provisioner, so you can use this configuration. So the there's a basically different scenarios are there, and you need to just approach accordingly. So the action can be performed using native Terraform capabilities. There's no better alternative example user data for EC2, or there is as I told you, user data is very good, but if you want to use another way, the provisions are there for you to execute same. So there's two way: either you go with the user data approach, which is I explained already in the starting, or you use this app provision to execute your thing on behalf of you, rather than putting the in Terraform. Because sometimes in Terraform, when you are doing that is little bit lengthy process, for I would say. There's a Hashiko website. You will see they gave like a lot of things which you don't like. Eventually, too much things you need to write, basically read it. But as for your sake, like you want to know, so that's the main thing. You can go see here, they category file, remote, local exec. So you can able to get the syntax from here. That is majorly important, I would say, if you're doing we are dealing with the use of provisioner. So you just go and get it this syntax, and then I able to use it. As I you can see, same thing, I show you over there, even though in my script which I write it for you guys. So if you see here, so same EC2 instance, security group, provisioner, I used file here to use my shell script, which is there. This is the shell script, and you just need to okay, if you go further, uh, so shell script is there, and connection type SSH, I put it PEM file, so PEM file is there. And further you go remote execution, I did it inside because I want to push that script inside my EC2, that's why I need it. Okay, and after then if we go down, I put a tag here for provision example. Other things are I think if you see my old videos, so it's same AWS security, ingress egress rule, uh, and the output for public IP. Output is always like I prefer because we need a public IP rather than going to console. We can directly fetch inside Terraform while running Terraform itself. In the variable, I put it CS Central, AMID, T2 Micro, and this is the things are, especially this PEM file. We need to put like where exactly the PEM file is, and provide the same script. So we can do one thing. Let's run and check it like how the thing is working, and that also, if you guys remember, like when we plan it, it will show us the how the execution is going to happen, and also when we apply it, then it will show you all the steps. That's quick. So Terraform applies there, like two things going to add, and the security group is there. uh, Here all seems good for now. Let's do one thing. Terraform apply auto approve. So what then now just wait for a few minutes, and as it's going to create security group, firstly it will show us like especially like this provision, and we will go inside to see like this output.txt file. And if we go down, no, we just need to wait. Okay, it's still creating. So this is a remote execution is happening all the things inside our server, and it's almost a remote execution with the remote exec command which we have used. So this one, and this script is going to run. So basically the change mode has happened and sudo playable is there, and after the script is running inside our EC2 server. And this is public IP, so we can grab the IP here, SSH /I Terraform. This is a key. Ubuntu. Here. This time I used Ubuntu because I want to show you like always we use the EC2 instance. So I just want to show you like Ubuntu as well, how Ubuntu works. So ls, so you can see the script is there. This is a script which I posted inside our server. So you can see here. So this is a script for its file is getting copied, and also the after running that the provision output. So that text message which I'm talking on this here. Wait a second. Oh, inside script. Sorry. So this file has been generated provision underscore output dot text here, and it must have this because of once this script has run, so it has updated echo is for basically copy, writing the command whatever we written under quotes. So that it needs to write inside that. So I just need to do cat provisioner. So hello from Terraform provisioner. So my shell script got copied inside that particular directory, and after then it got run as well successfully and generated the provision output.txt. So it means my provisioner, the inline command has been run, and also the main thing is SSH connection that also got established, and with the help of that, like we can able to push our file inside the Ubuntu server, and after then able to perform our like you can basically put it here like your code like Python or JavaScript, and after then it can able to basically the here I use echo, but there's uh, other things you can do, other vi use you can use, or VI editor where you can put the code, and after then the just copy here, and after then with echo itself you can able to copy here, and after then push inside this file. So that's the main thing, and always to remember: exit, terraform, destroy, auto, approve. So always destroy your infrastructure to I know we are using free tire, but still don't consume your resources because it will get consumed so early. And apart from that, one thing like always I told you, you now use uh, output this command to get the IP address, so it will save our time. So thank you guys.